Hey friends, welcome back to our YouTube Shorts channel. Today, let's delve into Newton's laws of motion, but with a twist. We'll be explaining these laws through animation. Let's get started. Newton's first law, also known as the law of inertia, states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. For example, when a car suddenly brakes, we lurch forward because our bodies tend to maintain their position until another force acts upon them. Moving on to Newton's second law, the law of acceleration. This law states that force equals mass times acceleration, represented by the equation F equals ma. To understand this, imagine kicking a football. The more force you apply, the faster the ball moves. Similarly, if the mass of the ball increases, more force is required to maintain the same acceleration. Lastly, Newton's third law highlights action and reaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. For instance, when you punch a wall, the wall exerts an equal force back on you, although you may not feel it due to our greater mass. In conclusion, these are Newton's laws of motion explained through